Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. This afternoon I will be talking on too big to miss. Too big to miss. Nothing will be impossible for you. This is a scripture quote. This is a quote from the scripture. Do you remember a biblical story of David and Goliath? Goliath was a giant and an experienced fighter. He struck fear in everyone's heart. One day, a young shepherd boy called David came to visit his brothers and on the battlefield and asked, "Why don't you stand and fight the giant?" The brothers were terrified of Goliath and they answered, "Can't you see that he is too big to hit?" David said, "No, he is too big to miss." For as many who are listening to me or you are watching this right now, no, is too big to miss. Guys, the rest is history. David killed Goliath with a slingshot. Same giant, different perceptions. Dear friends, viewers, for as many who are listening to me, don't we still face Goliath today? Of course, yes, you and I face challenges that intimidate us like the way Goliath intimidated them in the days of old. We have been terrorized, been terrified, and overwhelmed. And today, I'm saying, like the brothers of David, we try to hide ourselves and our responsibilities. The truth is, difficulties are the stepping stones to greatness. You can only have the chance to win if you take part in the game. The bigger the challenge, the better the opportunity, and the brighter the prospect of winning. Next time you are frightened by difficult circumstance, just remember what David said, it is too big to miss. Then summon the courage to dare. You will win. Because as you go on, especially in this Kringle community, to prospect, they will have a lot of people who have the ability, the experience, and everything that we need to move this community forward. You look at them and you pass, even during your prospecting. They are too big to miss. We need men and women who actually understand our mission, who are in line with our mission, who we have the same vision and the same focus that we have within the criminal community. Those are the people we should go for. They are too big to miss. Guys, stand firm in that which we stand for. Go all out. Let's prospect. Let's confront whatever is confronting us. And let us know that it is time we need to restore humanity back to what rightfully belongs to them. The abundance is for humanity, and we need to go all out and do all within our best to restore humanity back, to restore all this wealth, all these resources, this abundance back to humanity. So we should stand our ground. Why? Because it is time for us to achieve the impossible. So guys, this is a word of advice, encouragement, and admonition to every member of Kringle community that it is our time. We should go all out and never miss our target. Thank you very much. I love you all. Don't forget, for subsequent broadcasts, subscribe to this channel. Just click on that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe to it and share to others. Thank you. Love you all.